I put Coca-Cola in these eggs and look what happened. He, the owner of Coke, is going to hate me for revealing this secret. Okay, now we're going to put two eggs in here, okay? And now we're going to add here 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola on top of these eggs. This is one of those internet tips that are great and it's going to help you, and you're going to like it a lot. Now we just need to mix this very well. We mix it like this until this is very uniform. Done that, we're going to add to this a tablespoon and a half of margarine. And again, we are going to mix all this very well. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put it here inside the blender. And we're also going to add a cup and a half of wheat flour. We're going to add here the cup and a half, okay? Then we're going to add here 150 g of sugar, and here now I'm going to add a cup of chocolate. I'm going to use this one here. But you can use the one you have at home. We pour this whole cup here on top of this 200 g. Okay, now it's just a matter of mixing well with the blender. Now that it is well mixed, we are going to take out a capful of this, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we are going to put it here. And well, or we mix it again. Okay, I've already mixed it very well, and now we're going to take a mold already prepared with butter and flour, and we're going to pour all this mixture in here. Look at this with Coca-Cola, we're going to pour all this mixture here in the mold. Okay, and now we're going to put this mold in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degree OKY. While that's in the oven, we're going to use these 2 chocolate bars and this heavy cream, and we're going to make a topping. And I'm going to pour this on top of the chocolate. Okay, this frosting is ready, guys. Look at that. Look how nice this cake turned out. Now we're going to take this frosting and we're going to pour it over the top here. That's a different way of doing things, isn't it? Made with Coca-Cola. This is very quick and very easy, and it's delicious. We pour it over here, and look how good it looks. We can already see the texture. Look at that. A very soft cake. Look, guys, a very easy cake to cut. You can already see it as you're cutting it. What a nice cake. Wow, look at that. How wonderful. This cake was perfect. And with Coca-Cola, look, guys, look how delicious this cake really turned out great. Look how fluffy it looks. The best cake in the world. And now you will make it at home. Why not? It's wonderful. Come here, let's cut it. And look how fluffy it is. It's a recipe from those bakeries, from rich people. Look at that here. Those that they use in the bakery. And they make those delicious cakes really sensational. Make it at home too.